Come on, let's start. Try again. The car still won't start. Let's go see the front. This car has been parked here for more than half a month. The owner of the car replaced the spark plugs, cleaned the throttle, replaced oil pump, cleaned the oil line, cost $3,000. Problem not solved. Then the car owner left a message in the comment area and found me. Today, I'll come and show him what's going on. Actually, there is a part in the repair shop that is very easy to overlook. This part is the camshaft solenoid valve. Let's take it apart today and take a look. First, unplug. Let's open the toolbox. Take out the screwdriver. Align this screw. Loosen it. Then you can pull it out with your hands. My God, there's so much sludge on it. No wonder it can't start a fire. Let's go to the store and buy a bottle of cleaning agent for $2. Let's clean it next. This sludge blocks the filter, causing the engine oil to not run smoothly. Therefore, the engine gas distribution is inaccurate. Okay, now it's clean. Let's put a few drops of engine oil on the sealing ring. Then plug it back in. Tighten the screws. Plug back. Good. Now the camshaft solenoid valve has been cleaned. Next, let's just get in and see if we can start the car. Dear, I share car knowledge every day. It's really not easy. I hope you can move your little hands in front of the screen. Give me a red heart to support me. If you can click a red heart to support me, any car problems you have after that, anyone can come to me. Come, let's put the brakes on. Start. Look, a success. Now the problem has been solved. I am May. Follow me. Homepage and more car knowledge.